Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT. In this video, I will tell you how to use our Wi-Fi wireless smart home gateway connect to your own cloud server, so that you can install the node-RED on your server and you can make the website on the mobile phone or on the PC to remote control your lamp, send the RF signal, just a radio frequency signal, and also you can send the signal, IR signal, to the TV, to control TV and the air condition. Just like this, I can turn on the lamp will on, and also I can turn off the lamp. This is for remote because I have connected to the server by 4G. And also you can turn on the TV. We can just like this, press turn on TV, and the TV will be start. This is send the infrared signal to the TV. You can see the TV is start. Also, we can change the audio, and also we can press the mute. This is clear the audio, and also we can open again. The audio will be open. So this is how to use the mobile phone or your PC for remote control your lamp and any other have the IR remote electronic device, just like a TV, air conditioning, fans, and any other. Just have this remote is okay. So this time we will look at how to do this. This is our Wi-Fi smart home gateway. We can see the appearance. And that's this way. This is USB cable for power supply. And this is the Wi-Fi reset. The first time you use, you will reset Wi-Fi. And I will let you understand deeply. I open this case. This case will go through the air signal and the RF signal. So let's look at the PCB board of the gateway. This is MCU chip, the central processor unit. And this is the Wi-Fi module for the communication. And this is the IR transmit. This sends the IR signal, infrared signal, by this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transmit. And this is for IR receiver. This will learning the remote spot, like if you press this key, the signal will receive by this black part and store to the chip. And this is 433 MHz. This is for RF, send RF signal. This is antenna. And also this is 715 MHz RF signal. It can send this type of RF signal. This is two different antenna, but we just use 433 MHz. This is more stable. And this is the ZigBee chip. The ZigBee chip supports only our KinCony company's ZigBee device. Other companies cannot to use. But the RF device, the RF signal is sent, you can use many other companies' product. So this gateway have the IR, have the Wi-Fi, have the ZigBee, have the RF 433 and RF 715. So it's powerful, I think. Okay, we can install this. Now I want to tell you where you put this product to the position. Like this, we can put it this way. Now you will have a TV. Just this is a TV. You can put in front of your TV because it can send the IR signal. And maybe you have an air condition. This balloon is air condition. Is in this way. Or maybe your air condition is in this way of your house. O is no problem because it can send the IR signal from inside the 7 transmit. So there are 7 transmit. It can send the IR signal to different direction. So you can put any device, IR device, in there, or in there. Just any position, just around from this gateway. The max distance like this. This distance, the max is about 7 or 8 meters. Like this remote, the distance from the electronic device. Okay, so you can put the gateway in front of your electronic device and let this transmit can send the signal to the device directly. It will be okay. And this is our wall. So the gateway can't control the device by air. So this device will not work. If your room have a wall at this place, and this is room 2 and this is room 1. So if you want to control the air condition or the TV, this is the TV and the air condition. At this place, so you need to put a new smart home gateway at this room. You just put a new gateway at this room. But if you have this wireless switch, this is the RF signal switch you install on this room. So at this time, the gateway can send the RF signal to this switch and also can send to this switch, because the RF signal, it can go through with the wall. And the IR signal, this device IR signal can't go through with the wall to this place. So this is different from the RF signal and the IR signal. Okay, this is the node RED follows of the wireless gateway. We have also created the follow and uploaded to our form. You can see in this development room, and you can see this topic, and you can download from this time, and you can download from this file. And at this time, we can use the node RED and import and select file, and you can find these files, Wi-Fi controller, AWS EC2, and press open, and you can import cancelled. And when you import, you can see this is TCP listening at 8000 point, just at this time. So before you first time you use, you can use the Wi-Fi setting. Just the first reset the wireless controller and use the Wi-Fi IP and login, and make sure you have set the work mode to STA mode. And this STA setting is for you loaders, SSID and the password. And at the other settings, you need to change the work mode to TCP Client. We use TCP Client at this point, and at this IP, okay, you can use domain, because our AWS, we have used this domain, and also you can use IP, fill in this black, and just press save. Then the controller will restart and will connect to your server. Just this displayed one connection. So that means the controller is connected successfully. And this is our dashboard. You can just press this dashboard and press this button to open this browser window. I have already opened these two buttons. Is just for this on and off. This is send RF signal to turn on. Just like this, I turn on the lamp will be on, and turn off, and the lamp will be off. But how it works, we can double click. We can send this label name is on, and send this string. We can copy this. We have sent this string. What is this string means? This is the command for send RF signal. We can open our document. There is a protocol of Wi-Fi smart home controller protocol. When you open, you will see this protocol. You just see this is for infrared, and this is for RF device. So you can see this command, send as this command. Just we send this command. You can see this command, and also you can see the details. This value not need to change. Also the frequency. So this is not needed to change, and you only change this number is for different buttons. So this is we can create the number for send. This define a code for your on button. So it's very easy. And also you can see this off. Also we double click, we can copy this. And you can see the command is almost the same, just the number is changed. So you can change many numbers for different buttons. If you want to send a signal, just send this command is okay. So in Node-RED, I have created the 2 buttons on and off. So you can create many buttons. The max can support 800 buttons, so it's enough to use. So when you press the key, it will send the command to the controller. And this controller will choose to reply to TCP just for this use at the same time. Okay, and this, when you send the button, the command is sent, then you will have feedback. We will receive this command. When you receive this command, we can use this switch node. We can to decode this OK or this OK for a different way. The first sentence is OK for this on, and this function is receive OK message for this off. So we will, according to the received message, to let the LED is on and the LED is off. Just this LED is this one. We can turn on. When received the message, you can see the LED is yellow, and we can press OK. When received the message, the LED will become white. So this is send the RF signal. It's very easy, just one sentence. At this time, we will look at how to send IR signal, just infrared countering this signal. Also, we can create many menus. Just like this, we can create many menus. I have created the on, off, the TV, and the mute, and the volumes up and the volumes down, and the OK buttons. You can create many. And also, we can double click. This is a string we can copy. Also, we copy in this way. And we see the protocol. Now we will see how to send the IR signal. This is send IR. This is study IR. I will tell you how to study later. This is send IR signal. Just send this command. This 000 not need to use. Just send this command. This is not needed to change. This is details. I just tell you, this string is not need changed. And this one means button 1, the first button. So if you use the second, you just send the command. This is 2. This is 2 buttons. So this is send the button numbers, which button to send the command. But before we send the command, we need to learn the signal. Just we have placed the inject for this controller. we can double click. Also, we can see this string. This string is for study signal. For this learned signal will be sent. And also, this is not changed. And this 1 means the first key. And if you want to learn this button, the second button, you just change the key number to 2. We just change to. So we can use many inject. This inject just one press, the controller will work as a learning mode. Then you can send the message. Then you can send a signal by the remote. Where we do demo later, and you can press many. Every button just need to learn 1 times. After you learned, you can press the button to send the signal. Okay, let's look at how to do this. If we create these buttons, and also we have inject for this, now we can learn the TV power buttons. How can we do? When I press this inject, I want to learn the first button. Okay, the beep, and I press. Okay, this beep again. Now I can press the on, off button. You can see the TV is on. I can learn this button for second button. I also just inject a study 2 button. Inject, and also beep again. That means learning the signal successfully. So at this time we can press this button for change audio. Okay, this is how to learning all these buttons from your remote buttons. Like this one left, you can learning the left, and this is right, you can learning the right. This is up down, you can learning these 2 buttons. So you just learning these buttons from your remote, just will be okay. So if you have created a button and you learning for more times, the signal will be overwrite. Like this first button, you're learning this key, and you're learning this key again. So the button will be replace the code of the last buttons. Also, you can create the air condition, learning all buttons to the phone. You can create more buttons for air condition. Just use the same way. Okay, now we can press on, off, and control TV, and the volume up. This is up. The volume is up, and this is up, and down. Volume down. You can see this is changed. And also we can press audio. Okay, now you can create the website and create any button for the RF device and the IR signals device, so you can make many applications by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.